Hello guys, how are you? So today I'm going to play this game. We're gonna start with 3 rand. I'm playing on Hollywood bed. So we only have 100 rand now. So let me see what we'll get here with the 3 rand. This music, I'm not sure if it's the right music, guys. Okay. Yes. Oh, trash collector. We missed it there, guys. I'm playing this game on Hollywood bet. Let's see if they can give us something. We haven't found any collector yet. Okay, for the first time we got a cash collector, which is 24. Yo, look at those. Okay. Yes, we're collecting them now. We collected 30 rand plus 46. I think also 3 plus is the 3 games. It's how many? 6, 10, 13 games here. Plus 13 games. Let's see how much this 13 games is going to give us. Let's begin then. Okay, and 5 collectors, and then 5 of the time is 80. Okay, we are going to collect 45 there, guys. Wow, okay, guys, this is gonna be something. I don't know if I'm right here. Don't know what's happening, guys. 90 rand. We are on. This can be Guys, this can be used, guys. Let's see how much you can make there. We just need a very huge amount, guys. Can we get, you know, if we can get 1,000 coin, we are gone, guys. Trust me. Yo, this is going to be nice. Plus extra 5 spins times how many? It's gonna be 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 90 plus 5, 3 games plus 5 plus 5 again. We have 28 free games, guys. So this was a very profitable. This was very profitable, guys. We are on another collector, guys. Can we get more collectors? Yes, we need more collectors, guys. We need more collectors. Yes, another collector is there. We need hard coin, like we need coins like 100, 1,000, guys. We are on 400 and something. Alright. Okay. We need a grand. Come on, grand. Come on. We got a mini, which is 6 strength. Fine. Can you get also some games, free games here? Extra free games, guys. Okay, 5 collector. We need more free games, guys. Can we get more free games? You have won 500 and I've won 500 and something. Alright, guys, I think this was just a very profitable win, so I'm just gonna do and for 150 only one, ne? Then I'm gonna call it a day. I made my 600, unless otherwise if I get the bonus. Alright, guys, I will catch you up in the next section.